Hello. Hello, baby girl. Hello. You trying to eat that? You trying to eat it? Yeah? Yeah, you trying to eat it? Oh boy. Hi.
So maybe the top way to avoid a misdiagnosis and prevent a dangerous medical mistake? Take charge of your checkup. Some simple ways to do that. So for that
Hi, honey. Hi, honey bunny. Can you see some smiles? Hi. Yeah? Hi. Can you talk to Mama? Hi, honey.
Bad cough. You have a bad cough?
Hi, honey bunny. Hi. Hi, pretty baby. Hi, pretty baby. Yeah. You squirm a wormin'. You squirm a wormin'. Yeah. I hear you. Yeah. You're so silly. Hi. Uh-huh. Yes, my goodness. Yeah? Are you happy because you're naked, baby? Yeah. Yeah. Are you happy because you're naked, baby? You're just so silly. You're just so silly. Yeah? Uh-huh. You're lifting your head up, huh? Worm, worm, worm. Big ol' worm. Hi. Hi. You're a happy girl right now. Oh, lift that head up. Oh, down it goes. Lift that head up. Hi. And play with your toy again. Got it? There you go. Oh, away it goes. Thank you, Maga. You have your toy. Oh, over to our side. Now what do we do? Hi, you got your toy? Where are you gonna go? Huh? Who's gonna hang out there with your toy? Okay. All right.